Alright, for the first part of our discussion, we will talk about the operating systems and the utility software. But first, let's further widen our definition ng software. Okay, so I'll skip the objectives and the outline. So I'll proceed with the definition. When we speak about software, these are sets of computer programs, support modules, and data modules. Okay, specifically, nagbibigay sila ng instructions to carry out a task or a specific to solve a specific type of problem. Kaya nga minsan, software and programs, minsan interchangeable. But technically, program is a set of instructions to solve a problem or carry out a task. But pag sinabi nating software, these are set of programs. So ang software ay group ng programs, ang program naman group of instructions. The goal is to solve a problem or carry out a task. So say for example, gusto kong gumamit ng computer, I have certain programs or the computer rather would open certain instructions, will follow certain instructions for it to operate. Kapag gusto kong gumawa ng slides, just what you are seeing right now, meron akong specific instructions na ginawa sa computer. So, meron silang pina-follow na program. At yung programs, pag binuo, can produce a software. Ang goal ulit is to solve a problem or carry out a task. When we talk about support modules, they are auxiliary or helpers to reinforce the main software program. So they are not designed to be run by the computer users, but they are automatically operating once the computer is open. So support modules, kaya nga siya support, tinutulungan niya yung main program to carry out a task. Okay? Likewise, with the data module naman, sila naman yung bahala sa storage, processing, and producing of data. There are two major types of software. So we have the system software and the application software. So tandaan nyo lang, pag sinabing system software, it is generic. So it generally performs the background task in a computer. These programs many times talk directly to the hardware. So ang interface ng tao o ng computer user saka ng computer hardware ay yung tinatawag na system software. Bakit siya generic? Because it can accommodate several specific software na tinatawag naman nating application software. So an application software are programs that generally interact with the user to perform a specific task. Okay? So pag system software, general. Pag application software, specific. So they also talk to the hardware for a specific task. So yun yung diferensya nung dalawa. So to give us a clearer picture before I end this first part, so yung ating computer hardware, so assuming nandito yung computer user which is tayo, sa gitna niyan, ang nagsiserve na bridge ng hardware tsaka ng user ay yung ating mga software. So, ang pinaka-common na system software ay ang ating operating system na tinutulungan ng mga device drivers. I-discuss din natin later. We also have the utility software, the language translator, kaya pag nag-install tayo, nagtatanong kung anong language ang gagamitin. And then, the operating system or the system software accepts the other application software, yung mga specific. Pwedeng for scientific application, business application, office productivity, which is the most common. Yan yung ating Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, at yung iba't iba pang games natin na meron naman sa entertainment apps. So on the next part of the video, aaralin pa natin lalo yung ating operating system.